Today guys, I show you how to download uTorrent on your PC. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. All you need to do, just open your browser and save download uTorrent. Open this first site and you will see here free download, click on it and save your installation. After that, open setup, go here yes, and you will see this new window. Go here next and wait for this. Scroll here down, go here I agree, go here decline and go here decline and wait for installation status. After that you will see launch application on exit, go here finish and you get uTorrent app on your PC. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download and install uTorrent web on your PC or laptop fast and easy. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.